Hi, my name is Annalisa Garrison, and I'm a PhD student on the Midlands Integrated Biosciences Training Partnership, or the MIBTP, which is a doctorate training program. I'm also currently an intern at the ABPI. I began my scientific career at the University of Galway in Ireland, where I did my honours bachelor's degree in pharmacology and a master's degree in regenerative medicine. Last year I began my PhD at Aston University, which is a BBSRC and university co-funded project on investigating the mechanisms of tissue fibrosis. So for my main research projects, I am looking at the most exciting cell type you've probably never heard of, which are called pericytes. So pericytes are a form of mesenchymal stem cell, which cover every blood vessel in the body and provide support. However, in fibrosis, which is when the wound healing process goes wrong and leads to excessive scarring, tissue damage, and in severe cases organ failure, these stem cells and cell types become more troublesome. It's estimated that about 50% of deaths in the developed world are due to fibrosis, for example, after a heart attack. So therefore my research is of importance as it aims to assess if we can potentially prevent or reverse fibrosis by targeting these pericytes. So my PhD program, the MIBTP, includes a professional internship for PhD students, also known as a PIPS. This is a 3-month professional placement that allows me to develop non-research-based skills at an external host organization. So I joined the ABPI for my internship to coordinate this year's Industry Academic Links interactive reports, where I had roles in data analysis, coordinating submissions of videos and quotes, presenting the findings internally and to member organizations, and also providing layouts and designing web pages for the final launch. So apart from my industry placement, I've also been involved in numerous collaborative projects as part of my PhD. So for example, I did a clinical diagnostics project on cytokine profiling of serum from COVID-19 patients at the university's hospitals Coventry and Warwickshire, which was in collaboration with Warwick Medical School and also the NHS. So the pandemic has affected my experience in multiple ways. I finished my bachelor's degree, I completed my entire master's degree, and I also began my PhD in different lockdowns through online learning. So this meant relying on technology, including video calls, in order to connect with my colleagues and with the academics. But importantly, I think it taught me some really great lessons on well-being, on resilience, and of the importance of driving scientific research forward. In 5 years' time, I will have hopefully completed my PhD after 9 years in academia. So therefore, I'm interested in joining the industry or collaborating with industry on various projects, either in industry or through an academic role, in order to gain more exposure and ultimately to continue driving research forward and to expand our knowledge on disease states to ultimately help patients.